Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Hey everyone, it's Alex here, your go-to guru for all things tech and fun. Today, I've got something spooky and spectacular to share with you. The EaseUS Real-Time Voice Changer, the best real-time voice changer for PC, featuring the spine-chilling Ghostface atmosphere with his voice effects, perfect for pranks, especially with Halloween just around the corner. So, the first thing you want to do is download and install the software. It's a breeze. If you've ever installed a game, you can handle this. My grandma did it, and she thinks Ram is a type of goat.
Hello, Jamie. Do you like scary movies?
Pretty creepy, right? This voice is perfect for scaring your friends, setting the mood for a horror movie night, or just having a little fun. Last Friday, I decided to use the radio demon effect during our weekly online game night. It was the perfect setup for some harmless Halloween pranking.
Abandon all hope, you who enter here, for Halloween is a night of fear.
Whoa, Alex, is that you? That's freaky. Did you hire a voice actor or something?
They were totally convinced. I had them jumping at every creak and shadow. It was like being in our own horror movie. Now, let me show you how you can tweak the settings to personalize your spookiness. First, you should choose a voice that you like, and you can adjust the pitch, the volume, and even the timbre for that extra haunting touch. It's like having your own digital sound studio.
Who's ready for a real scare?
Tonight the dead walk, the ghouls talk, and the monsters stalk. Happy Halloween. Ghosts, goblins, and ghouls. Oh my, let the haunting begin.
And there you have it. The EaseUS best real-time voice changer for PC is super easy to use and can turn any ordinary night into a fright-filled extravaganza. Whether you want to prank your friends or just have some spooky fun, this tool is a must-have. So, what are you waiting for? Download the EaseUS best real-time voice changer for PC.
Let your inner Ghostface shine this Halloween.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Happy haunting, everyone. We hope to see you in the next video.